Hello folks, welcome back. Almost daily vlog at MX5 Restorer. Oh blimey, I've missed a few, to be honest. I don't think I've done any for the last 2 days. Too hot, too frazzled, doing too many other things, editing a video which I think is going to be a really good one. Been working with Ollie on this. He's going to be doing, hang on, let's take a seat. He is going to be doing some informational kind of tech talk type things. And he's done one on what is quite a common question at the moment, which is how is E10 fuel going to affect my car. So that will, as I'm recording this, that's going live tonight on the channel, so it'll be well live by the time this goes out. But if you haven't seen it yet, I'll put a link up in the top corner, whichever one it is. I mean, check it out because it's really informative. He talks about the problem in depth, and showing you the components and how they may or may not be affected. It's really worth checking out. Also, it's quite a nice little update this. Also, you may have seen a video, whether it'll go live before this one or not, I'm not sure, but a video where Chris, you saw the one where he damaged his gearbox. That one's already out there. He's already sorted that problem out. The next problem he's got is he's developed a knock on the engine, so we're doing a series of videos where he's stripping that all down, and you see that, and I'll put the link up there if that's gone out before this one. So a few interesting things going on. Another update is we should be able to crack on with the Le Mans soon, which is good news. Really looking forward to that getting done. I know we keep saying it, and I hope I don't regret mentioning it now, but we've got another member of staff that's hopefully starting. He's not going to be full-time, but he's going to be working quite a lot of the time. He's working on the ramp that Le Mans is currently on. So that Le Mans is going to move to Chris's ramp, and the plan is that he can crack on and get it done. So, you know, we're always trying to change things so we can get time to do Le Mans and our own projects and what have you, but it's difficult because customer cars take priority. So yeah, a little bit of an insight as to what's going on at the moment. Right, I'm going to try and refresh my memory. I know last time I mentioned about cleaning the Supra. I decided to wash it. Don't worry about that one. This VR, I think I mentioned it in the last video. It's VR limited, so we've cut the seals open, reported back to customer. Really good internally actually. Reported back to the customer what it needs, and bottoms of the wings as well. So we've got the wing repair panels. We're going to use them in this case. Don't often use them because it's quite labour intensive to fit those and then paint it. But this car being the colour it is, it's a lot better to, well, better, I don't know if that's the right word, but one way to deal with it is to just do the lower wing, because the rest of the wing's very good. Do the lower wing, then you only have to paint from here down, and then you don't end up with colour match issues to wing, bonnet, headlights, front bumper, because if you do that on both wings, you end up painting the whole front of the car and blending the doors, which gets rather costly. So in this instance, we've suggested that, and the customer's gone for it. This is our 34,000, I think it's 34 or 37,000 mile car. It's up for sale. Just refresh my memory. 37,000 miles. That's up for sale at the moment. Good car, that one. This one here is one I've mentioned it in a few videos. I didn't know what was going on with it. We do own that now, and it's gone. We've done a few bits to sort it out from a paintwork point of view. Front bumper got painted, bit of paintwork at the back. Wheels, we're not doing a full refurbishment on those because the price point of this car doesn't warrant it, but they are going to get painted up, cleaned up, and that car is going to be on the website soon, hopefully. So, well, maybe before this video even. So keep an eye out for that one. I think this one's in for an underseal and some other bits and bobs. Ashley's starting on that tomorrow. That's the one Ashley was doing all the seal welding on. He's had to come off of that to crack on with something else, but he'll be back on that as soon as we can get him back on it. And that's turned into potentially a lot more work again as well. So right, let's head into the workshop. I'll talk up a bit. I'll go straight to Roy first, and oh no, he's quieting down. He's seen me. So Ash. Thanks, Ash. Do the woof. Woof.
Woof.
Okay.
There's a roof loose. Moody's Hoos.
Right, that's enough of that.
Yeah, we're doing the roof.
Okay, 2-person job.
Well, no, it's not. It's, there's a grant in the equation, so I'm just helping out.
Rock and roll.
This is only grant's second roof, isn't it?
Well, the first one.
First one was first one was quite some week / maybe months ago.
And all I did was give it
It's not a hard job, but it's a technical job. But if you did one like 2 months ago and that was your first one, and I hadn't done another one, then you're going to forget it.
And time frame's an issue because customers waiting.
Yeah, exactly. So I've jumped on this to help Grant out, and we're just running through and we're tag teaming. I'm doing the passenger side, and you're doing the driver's side.
I'm not.
Okay, bye. What are you doing, Ollie?
Cleaning. All the stuff that we've kept over the years that
I
doesn't
don't
need to
think
be
you can
there.
say that.
Alright, mate.
How's person?
He's a guy, what's his wife? I think it's very inclusive.
Your wife will be watching this, right?
No, so whenever I like.
Your wife was telling me how you watch every episode.
I need to read the comments. Good on you, Barney. Good on, Barney.
Well, have fun, Ollie.
Thanks.
Find Roy. Alright?
Sure, right?
Yeah. I'm not sure how much of this we've caught because I haven't done a video last couple of days, have I?
Oh,
So I'm not sure how much of it we've missed, but definitely some.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So I think it was cut open, wasn't it? No, can we stop getting stuff in eyes?
That's not. I've got itchy eye. I'll just clean my fingers before I stick my fingers in there.
Oh, okay. All right.
I think the sail end plate and inner seal was on.
Was it?
Because yeah, I was up to the point where the rear box section was going in.
Oh, okay.
So the rear box section's done.
And so you've done an inner arch lip as well, haven't you?
Inner arch bit.
Yeah.
And
Rear box section torch. Let's find the torch. Okay. Looking lovely.
yeah,
Alright.
just process of finishing off the outer panel.
Cool.
So I tried something different this time. Going into the door shop.
Yeah.
Just getting rid of
Couple of pinholes. All right. Okay, mate. Thanks for that. Ash has done. Again, I don't know where this was. I don't even know if this one was on the ramp. Ash, was this on the ramp last video I did?
No, I think the silver one.
Silver one was still on there.
Is still there.
Okay. The one that was kind of glued to your ramp for a month.
I had to lever it off. So sort of glue.
All right. So what have we done on this one then?
Welding.
Stop it.
No one's eating it,
Was it an inner?
yeah, it was
Inner seal, outer box section or anything like that?
No, that's all good.
All good. Jolly good. Okay. So that's a bit more prep there, and then that'll be painted, yeah.
Yeah.
And colour coded the underneath of the car.
Yeah.
Good. Undersealed. Nice. Laters. Chris is making a cake. What flavour icing is that, Chris? In that colour?
That's English.
What flavour icing is that?
Vanilla or English mustard? Vanilla. Vanilla? No, that's more like banana. It's alright. It's not even finished, that.
I'm glad.
Well, some people might call it finished.
Is this side? How's this side?
This-
This side's closer.
This one's nearly there. I've just got to finish doing a few bits.
This is the one that Grant did the chassis rails on, and Grant was doing the welding
Yeah.
on. Chris to the rescue with the.
Yeah. Well, everyone welds and does things differently. When I do my seals, I always have the same way of doing everything. So the same way of like filler work and everything else just flows the same. So when there's another body in the equation, then it's just a little bit different in terms of that. So well, it's getting there. I just have to do a few more bits than what I normally would do. But just a little bit more of a rub down.
Okay.
And then it'll be finished.
Okay. Thanks.
Alright.
This is our this is number 176. So there's been a big gap on this car in terms of getting stuff done, and that's again for the same reason as the gaps with the Le Mans. Customer cars take priority. So Grant is, once he's finished that roof, he's going to crack back on with putting this all back together. All the paintwork's now been done, so I had the seal repairs. Try and refresh my memories. Refurbished wheels, look, they've all been done. Inside, looking nice. Under ceiling's all been done. So with these wheels, they're also date stamped. So that's month. These are for the months. So month 6 of 89. So gives an indication of how early the car is, and it's got the correct wheels on it. So if you're ever looking to correctly date a car, the wheels will help. So we've got some blacking to do inside the arches where it's been painted. So rear quarters have been painted. What else have we painted on this, Ash? Rear bumper.
Rear panel, boot lid.
No, bumper wasn't painted with it. Yeah, a few bits and bobs. Just wanted to tidy it up a bit. It wasn't quite. I mean, it's not going to be a perfect car anyway. We've got it to a level, and that's the level of the price point that we want to put this car at. Mainly because we like to have cars at as many different price points as we can. So we always try and position them and get them to a certain level that enables us to have cars at various different price points. Alright, so that's all for this one. I will try and do one tomorrow. I am going out tomorrow morning to pick a car up that we've purchased. That'll be another potential sale car. I'm not sure whether it's good enough as a sale car yet, or if it's going to be one that we're going to break, but I shall find that out tomorrow and we'll let you know how that one goes. Alright, well thanks for watching. Like I say, look out for those other videos, because especially the E10 one, because Ollie's put a lot of work into it. It's really, really informative, to the point that when I was watching it, I was actually interested in what he was saying. So, yeah, check it out. Let us know what you think. If there's any other things along those lines where you just want information, like kind of like a tech talk, then let us know in the comments, because we're always looking for different content. Because these workshop ones, we know people like them, but they can get a bit samey. So we're sort of looking for different stuff to put on the channel. Alright guys, take care, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.